For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link EA account to Twitch. To do that, let's go to ea.com and then sign in. Or if you don't have one, you can create your account. And after logging in, click again your profile and then click account settings. Next, scroll down until you find connections. Click it. In this area, navigate to Twitch and click the link button. After that, you need to verify your identity by entering the correct verifying code of your EA account. After successfully verifying it, go enter your Twitch account or sign up if you don't have an account. After logging in, click the link accounts button and scroll down again in your settings. Now you can see that your EA account is successfully linked to Twitch. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.